Hi, it's Anna, and today I've got a little unboxing to do. I have purchased a mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. So it's a little die cutting machine, and for the month of March it is reduced by 20%. So I thought, you know what, I've never done one of these before, so I'm going to do a little unboxing so you can see exactly how it comes to you and what's inside the package. So let's get to it. Very exciting. Just open this up. Oh. Okay, great. All right, so in our box, this is what we get. So I'll just pop this aside. So this looks like all our plates and other little bits and pieces in a nice little container here. Then this is nicely packaged. And here's our little baby. So what I'm going to do is I will take this off. Let's have a look at this little thing. Oh my goodness, it's so tiny. So this is actually a great little addition to obviously a full-size die cutting machine. I will pop it on its side so you can have a look there. So obviously it has its handle. It's got fold-in platforms. There we go. And has some non-slip feet on the bottom there. And this thing is so cute and compact. Really super lightweight, a great little addition to your desk when you've got to just die cut one or two things. And then we'll have a look here and see what we've got. So it looks like we've got a couple of different things here. So a little quick start guide. We'll have a look at what it does say about the sandwich that you need to do. So let's have a look here. It's as though all the plates are numbered and have some details on them. So we'll have a look at these. So as you can see, they're all numbered. We've got 1, 2 sets of 2, a 3 and a 4. So for your regular sandwich, you'd have that as your base plate. And then you would have one of these clear number 2s, then you'd put in your paper, then your die cut on top, and another one of these on top. Pop it in, and you just run it through as you would with any other die cutting machine. So having a look at a couple of these other plates. So if you were to use an embossing folder, so Stampin' Up has some great mini embossing folders, which are just sort of shy of this sort of size, and they usually come in a 2-pack. So what you would do is just your regular standard embossing folder, you'd pop this in, then you'd put your embossing folder in, you'd have the folded side at that end, and then you just fit that over the top, once again running it through. So always making sure you've got the folded edge at the front. And then we also have 3D, which are a thicker type of embossing folder, and that would be this plate, the embossing folder with obviously paper inside, that one on the top, and just running it through. It's as I said, it's such a great little extra little tool that you can sort of have close by. I know sometimes with the bigger embossing cutting machines, they can be a little bigger and don't sort of fit on your desk so well. So if you wanted to purchase one of these, I'll have some details linked, and you'll be able to buy one at 20% off for the month of March. So if you live in Australia, get in touch. Thank you. See you later.